When your washer starts acting unusual cycles not starting, buttons not responding correctly, or settings behaving inconsistently, it's often not a major fault. With a machine like the Maytag Bravos XL washer, these problems can come from temporary control errors inside the system. This usually happens after power interruptions, incomplete cycles, or when the control panel gets stuck between commands. The washer might look like it's not responding properly, but internally it just needs a full reset to clear everything and return to default behavior. A factory reset basically wipes the current settings and lets the washer start fresh. It's a simple process, but it needs to be done in the correct sequence so the system actually recognizes it. These are the fixes. 1. Turn the washer off and unplug it from the power outlet. 2. Wait for about 1 minute to clear any stored power. 3. Plug the washer back in while keeping the lid open. 4. Rotate the cycle knob in a specific pattern. 5. Watch for indicator lights flashing to confirm reset mode. 6. Close the lid and run a test cycle to check if it's working normally.